Have you ever dreamed of a place where misty mountains meet emerald tea gardens? A place straight out of a storybook? Well, stop dreaming, because I found it. Welcome to Ooty, the Queen of Hill Stations, nestled in the stunning Nilgiri Hills of India. And guess what? I'm taking you on the ultimate virtual tour. We're going to cover everything from how to get there, where to stay, what to eat, and how much it'll all cost. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be packing your bags. Our adventure begins with a journey that's an experience in itself, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. This isn't just any train, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The little blue toy train chugs its way up the steep hills, through dark tunnels and over towering bridges, offering views that are simply breathtaking. As you climb higher, the air gets cooler and the scenery more dramatic. You'll see waterfalls cascading down hillsides and valleys, blanketed in a thick, magical fog. It's like being transported to another world. The ticket for this unforgettable ride costs around 300 to 600 rupees, depending on the class you choose. Pro tip: book your tickets well in advance, especially during peak season, because they sell out fast. Now, let's talk about where you'll rest your head after a day of exploring. Ooty has options for every budget. If you're looking for luxury, there are heritage hotels and colonial era bungalows that offer a taste of old world charm, with prices starting from around 8,000 rupees a night. For mid-range travelers, you'll find cozy resorts and comfortable hotels for about 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. And if you're on a tight budget like me, don't worry. There are plenty of guest houses and homestays that are clean, friendly, and will only set you back about 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per night. No matter where you stay, you're guaranteed to wake up to some incredible views. Alright, let's get to the best part: exploring Ooty. First on our list is the Government Botanical Garden. Spread over 55 acres, this place is a paradise for nature lovers. It's home to thousands of species of plants, flowers, and trees, including a 20-million-year-old fossilized tree trunk. The highlight for many is the annual flower show held in May, where the entire garden bursts into a riot of color. The entrance fee is super affordable, just 50 rupees for adults. You can easily spend a few hours just strolling around, taking pictures, and soaking in the serene atmosphere. Next up, we're heading to Ooty Lake. This beautiful, man-made lake is the heart of the town. The best way to experience it is by hopping into a paddle boat or a motorboat. As you glide across the calm water, surrounded by eucalyptus trees, you'll feel all your stress just melt away. There's also a mini train for kids and a few snack shops around the lake. A 30-minute boat ride will cost you around 250 to 450 rupees. It's the perfect spot for a relaxing afternoon with family or friends. For the most jaw-dropping panoramic view of the entire Nilgiri region, we have to hike up to Doddabetta peak. It's the highest point in the Nilgiris, and on a clear day, you can see 4 miles in every direction. There is a telescope house at the summit that lets you get an even closer look at the distant plains and valleys. The drive up is just as scenic as the view from the top. Getting here is easy. You can hire a taxi or take a local bus. The feeling of standing on top of the world, with the wind in your hair and clouds beneath your feet, is absolutely priceless. But UTSS isn't just about sightseeing. It's also a haven for foodies. You absolutely must try the local Nilgiri cuisine. Many dishes feature fresh vegetables, spices, and unique local ingredients. And, of course, you cannot leave Ooty without visiting a tea factory. We visited one where we learned all about the tea-making process, from plucking the leaves to the final brew. The aroma of fresh tea leaves fills the air, and you get to sample different varieties. And let's not forget the famous Ooty homemade chocolates. They are heavenly. You'll find chocolate shops on almost every corner, each offering a delicious array of flavors. I definitely bought a few boxers to take back home. Speaking of shopping, Ooty has some great local markets where you can buy souvenirs. Commercial Road is the main shopping street. Here, you can find everything from warm woolen clothes and aromatic eucalyptus oil to local handicrafts and fresh spices. Bargaining is part of the fun, so don't be shy. A full day of exploring, eating, and shopping might cost you around 1,500 to 2,000 rupees per person, depending on your choices. Let's break down the total cost for a typical 3-day trip. For a budget traveler, you can expect to spend around 8,000 to 10,000 rupees. This includes train travel, a budget stay, local transport, food, and entry fees. For a mid-range trip, with a bit more comfort, you'd be looking at about 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. And for a luxury experience, the sky is the limit, but a comfortable estimate would be upwards of 35,000 rupees. So you see, a trip to this paradise doesn't have to break the bank. Some final tips before you plan your trip. The best time to visit UTI is from October to June. The weather is pleasant and the skies are clear. Monsoon season, from July to September, has its own charm with lush greenery, but it can make sightseeing a bit tricky. Always carry a light jacket or sweater, as the evenings can get quite chilly, even in summer. And most importantly, come with an open heart, ready to be mesmerized by the simple, profound beauty of the Nilgiri Hills. UTI is more than just a destination. It's a feeling. It's the crisp mountain air, the scent of pine and eucalyptus, the taste of hot tea on a cold day, and the endless green landscapes that heal your soul. It's a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful things in life are the simple. It's a place that will capture your heart and keep calling you back. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your UTI getaway. I promise you, it's an experience you'll cherish for a lifetime. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to UTI or if it's on your bucket list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.